So today we'll be testing determination of hardness. As you can see, we have taken EDTA here and we have taken ammonium buffer solution. We have taken the indicator erythrome black tea and we have taken sample of 50 ml of tap water as a sample, and in the burette we have filled it with EDTA solution. So 2 ml of ammonia buffer solution is added to the sample before adding to the indicator. This helps in showing the change in color for the sample. So now the indicator erythrome black tea is added. A pinch of erythrome black tea. There is a slight change in the color which turns to wine red. After adding the ammonia buffer solution of 2 ml and erythrome black tea indicator, the sample has changed to wine red color. Now titrate it against EDTA solution until the wine red color changes to blue color. Yes, as you can see, now it has turned to permanent blue color, which indicates that total hardness is present. Take down the initial reading of burette. So initially we had filled it till 0. So after the titration, the volume of EDTA consumed is, final burette reading is 26.3. So this value will be used to calculate the B1 value for the sample of tap water. So in connection with the previous video, so the same procedure has been carried out for the 50 ml of distilled water in order to calculate the A1 for the calculation purpose. So we have taken 50 ml of distilled water. So ammonia buffer solution is being added to this. Two ml of ammonium buffer solution is added to the sample. Now the same indicator erythrome black tea, a pinch of erythrome black tea is added. So the color has changed to wine red. It is being titrated against EDTA. As you can see, it has turned to permanent blue color. Now for the calculation of A1, initial reading of the burette was 0. Note down the final burette reading. Utilize the burette reading for the calculation of A1. This is being titrated for distilled water, total hardness. C1 is equals to A1 minus B1. A1 is the value that we have got it by titrating the EDTA against distilled water, and B1 is the value we have got by titrating the EDTA against tap water as a sample. So C1 is equals to A1 minus B1, which gives you the total hardness. We are determining the calcium hardness here. As you can see, we have taken EDTA, NaOH solution and muroxide as the indicator. We have taken 50 ml of tap water as sample. We have filled the EDTA solution in the burette. So we'll add the NaOH solution to the sample. 1 ml of NaOH solution is added to the sample. A pinch of muroxide is added to the sample, and the sample has changed to pink color. Now it is being titrated against EDTA solution. The color has changed from pink to purple, indicating the presence of calcium hardness. The initial burette reading was 0, and note down the final burette reading for the calculation of calcium hardness. So total hardness includes both calcium hardness plus magnesium hardness. So in the previous experiment we have found out the total hardness. Now in order to find out the magnesium hardness, total hardness minus calcium hardness will give you the magnesium hardness.